Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to archive and credentials or items or whatever it is in 1Password. So once you're in 1Password, click on your vault on the left side and you want to go ahead and open up the vault that contains whatever that you want to go ahead and let's say archive. Now once you open the vault, click on view vault and you will be able to see all those credentials and so forth that is inside that vault. And so to archive of credentials or items or whatever it is that you want to archive, go ahead and click on it. Then go ahead and click the three dots on the upper right. Here you'll find the archive button. You click on archive, then go ahead and you can choose archive item or you can choose archive and don't ask again. It's really up to you. This is basically that it's going to ask you this pop-up prompt every time you archive an item. You can choose to keep it, or this is just you want to archive and never ask again. So I'm going to just work with the first one here and click archive item. And that's it. So you archive the item. And at any point in time you want to unarchive it, you just need to go ahead and open up the vault and you will be able to see the lower left hand side where it shows archive and even permanently deleted. You can click on that and you can click on it and you can always unarchive those credentials. How you do that? You click on it and you'll be able to click the three dots on the upper right and you have the option right here to restore the item. You restore it, basically take it out of the archive, and you can also delete it from the archive as well. And delete just simply means that you're going to delete it permanently. Don't mean that you're going to delete it out of archive. It simply means that you archive it, you like put it into some vault. And so the archive basically means that you're archiving it, but once you delete it means that you want to get rid of it totally. And so that's it. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can quickly archive an item in 1Password.